Introducing CNC nesting machine, one of the finest solutions for modern woodworking. Designed to deliver maximum yield from every sheet, this machine turns raw boards into perfectly cut components with speed and precision. With intelligent storage systems and robotic sorting working together, the CNC nesting machine achieves smart nesting. Every sheet is optimized. Every cut is calculated. This means minimal waste and maximum material usage, helping you save costs on every job. This is automation that boosts productivity. From loading to cutting to sorting, the process is smooth, fast, and reliable. Less manual handling, faster turnaround, more output in less time. The CNC nesting machine is equipped with a rotary labeling device, ensuring every part is clearly marked. This guarantees accuracy and precision throughout production, reducing errors and simplifying assembly. Achieve speed that doesn't compromise accuracy. Every cut is consistent. Every panel is perfectly aligned. This machine delivers reliable performance, job after job. With consistency, efficiency, and intelligent automation, take your workshop to the next level with the CNC nesting machine.